know me now. Nigeria come, I spoil you.
Everything.
Yes.
Jet ticket.
Ticket, come.
And
Just buy your ticket, come. Buy your ticket, come. Call me. I'm in Nigeria. I will finish you. So guys, I can't fall out. I want to go buy flower for my wife because leg they pain her. The flight from Nigeria to Kigali was too long. Now I enter roads, see their road, I enter taxi. These people too get Okada everywhere. I can't go find flower for their market. Now I go find this flower shop. Now if you see their market, very clean, very organized, quiet. No be our market for Nigeria. Noise, making noise everywhere. See their market now, clean and quiet. I can't tell the girls, say this flower now for my wife. Select better ones for me. Slice and well. Now the girl begin slice. The girl begin prepare. How to talk to the girl na problem because the girl need to hear English. I can't tell her me she call somebody where I go they talk to, where go they translate. Now she can't go call this guy. The guy enter problem for my hand. Call my friend.
Okay.
So this flower is for my wife.
For your wife.
Yeah. So how do I say make it nice in your language? Huh? In Kigali Rwanda.
No. You want how it's
I want to
Kigali Rwanda?
yes. Rukorenes.
Yeah.
Then how do I say it's for my wife in your
Nurugumu mufasha wanjye.
Nurugumu wafasha man.
Umugore wanjye.
Mugore wanjye. Mugore wanjye.
Yes.
Lushi
Rukoreneza.
Rukoreneza.
Nurugumu mufasha wanjye.
Nurugumu mufasha wa.
Yes.
My guy.
Can pay?
Yes, I will bring you to Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yes. Come to Lagos, you see fine shoes. Lagos shoes. Original shoes.
I know any sorry.
You know me now. You know me now. Nigeria come, I spoil you.
Everything.
Yes.
Jet ticket.
Ticket, come.
And
Just buy your ticket, come. Buy your ticket, come. Call me. I'm in Nigeria. I will finish you.
Everything.
I will take you to club.
To hotel and
Me, I'll pay your hotel. I will give you woman, marry you. You take up. Oh, everything I talk na lie, yo. I don't go fit do it, but make this boy not believe me, yo. What about
news?
News.
It's in Rwanda.
This Rwanda work on nothing whatever uses my ear or my eyes. Hey, so if that guy believe me that he all risk, that make I tell her make he buy a flight before you come Nigeria. No can say I go buy flight for you. The girl come prepare the flower. The flower fine. I know say if my wife see this flower, there is no way she no go smile. I tell the girl say, give me, I don't pay for the flower now. Carry the flower and I come dey snap the flower. I enter taxi. I reach hotel. That's how they waka. Bah. I don't dey enter reception. I climb. That's how they go. I dey happy. I reach door. Open them. Now carry the flower, enter the waka go with my wife. God! See my wife when she turn, see how she fine. As she see the flower, God! Me self body, my body sweet me. I wet when my wife see her. Hey! See how she smile, she no believe her. She say, oh baby, I didn't believe you brought me flowers. I say, see your mouth. You know how much this flower cost me? But I can go any length for you. Oh! See how my wife they happy. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye.